Okay, so this is a video demonstration on how to replace the handle for our heat press here. So this one is the HP3805B. So in doing so, I recommend starting off by loosening this top bolt here. You can do this by turning the screw clockwise. Make sure you do turn it clockwise. So that's ready for when we remove these 4 screws here. So we'll just do that now. Now as you're removing the screws, you'll notice that the plate is coming away from this here. So as you can see, the handle is now loose. Now we'll have to remove the sensor for the handle. So if you come around here, you'll be able to see the 2 screws holding the sensor in place. Now we'll just unscrew these. You may have to hold the nut at the back of the screw. This is quite fiddly. Okay, so that's one down. Now as you're doing this, the sensor will come away from the handle, and you can now remove the sensor. Like so. Now all you need to do is move the plate forward and then unscrew the handle by turning it counterclockwise. Like so. And there we have it. The handle is now loose. Now to install the handle, it's just the reverse of this procedure. Like so.